If you're planning a front yard makeover or looking for simple flower bed ideas, this step-by-step guide will help you get it done right. Start by removing the existing concrete retaining wall blocks. Clear out all debris so you're working with a clean area. Use marking paint, a garden hose, or string to lay out the curve of your new flower bed. Take your time here. This shape sets the entire look of the yard. Dig along the marked line to create a trench for the new blocks. Level the soil base carefully so the wall will sit evenly and won't shift over time. Lay down plastic or landscape fabric behind the wall area. This helps prevent weeds and keeps soil from washing out. Pour in a layer of gravel and compact it well. The gravel provides drainage and a strong foundation for the retaining wall blocks. Place the first row of concrete retaining wall blocks on the gravel base. Use a level and a laser to make sure each block is perfectly straight and even. This row is the most important. Take your time. On the other side of the stairs, start at the highest point. Using a laser, set the first block even with the opposite side. Then, using the laser and a level, continue installing the blocks in a straight, level line. Stack the second row of blocks, making sure they lock properly with the first row. Check level again as you go to keep everything aligned and professional looking. After all the hard work, the results speak for themselves. The new curved flower bed adds structure, depth, and instant curb appeal to the front yard. With a solid base and properly leveled retaining wall blocks, this design is built to last for years. Once plants and mulch are added, the space feels clean, polished, and professionally done. A simple upgrade like this can completely transform the look of your home's exterior. If you like this video, press the like button, comment, and subscribe for more landscaping and outdoor DIY ideas.